Hello again. It's a bit later today and I'm unboxing Dreamcatcher's new album now. And I have the pre-order limited version here and the limited version here. I will start with a pre-order limited, and let me get this off. So it's dark outside now, so I'm using my ceiling lamp for any glare. I apologize, but it's just dark outside, so I can't change it. So this is the front and the spine and back with the track list. I really haven't listened to Dear yet, I just noticed, but I love Break the Wall like so much. Boca is also very nice. Can't Get You Out of My Head is also nice, but Break the Wall is definitely my favorite song. So let's open this. And I know the things are under here, so I will just put them under here. And let's look at the CD first. It's like a Dreamcatcher. Then you have here the track list again. Then let's look at the Got that, I want to see it yet. So let's look at the photo book, which is okay size. For the limited version, it's pretty thick, so it will probably take some time to go through it. So this is more like the music video location. And Gio looks so good with black hair. This picture of Sua. I mean, she's not my bias, not one of my records, but that picture and these pictures with like the space buns, they look super nice. We have Hyun, Sua, and Xion. Xion looks so good. Hyun too. Very nice. Gayon, Dami, Jiu. Dami with the long hair is also like wow. Like her part in Boca is awesome. And then we have Gayon with the pink hair. Gayon is my bias, so I really hope that in one of these two copies I will get at least one of her photo cards, because I really want those. They look really amazing. So, group picture. Then we have another concept. It's also nice. From what I've seen, the limited version has all of the concepts in one bigger photo book. Of course, it's different pictures, but this photo of Dami, wow. Oh, she's so pretty. Group shot. I really hope that Handong can come back soon, because yeah, well, with the current situation of like the second corona wave in Korea, I doubt it that anyone can come there from specific Chinese provinces, but maybe. Hopefully soon. This one is also a nice picture. Another group shot. And then it's the lyrics. Credits. That's all for the photo book. Now let's see it first. So then this is a sticker, and I got the blue one. I think it's also random which color you get. So then let's look at the standee, and I got, I think it's Sua. Yes, it's Sua. She looks so good on these though. And then let's look at the first photo card. Oh, I see it's Sua. You see here. And oh, this is a pretty photo card, like really nice. And this one. And Dummy. Also a cute card. I often get Dummy. I think I got the most cards from her, from all the albums I have so far. But this is a cute card, so I don't mind. No Guyon from this album, so I'm still hoping for the next one, because I don't want to spend too much money on her photo cards. But I mean, I still would probably buy it. Maybe at least two. The two I really want, but let's look at the next album. So I know the limited version has 3 out of 36 different, and not all are selfie cards. Some are like more far away cards. So, but this one is bigger, as you can see. So the photo book will take a bit longer. So this is the front, the sides, the back, and this has like a magnet opening. I will open it like this because most of the things are, so you can see it's like a hole. So this is the CD. And this is the sticker. Oh, I got the gold one. And then we can take these things. It might be our AR cards. Have to check. So this is the photo book. We will check that out in a moment. This is like a plastic Dreamcatcher thing you can put on somewhere. Like I thought about maybe putting it on my front door because I think it looks nice and should be hanging somewhere. This is limited to only the limited version, as well as the big photo card, like a postcard. We will look at that when I have looked through the photo book. So this one, this is a thick photo book, like you can see. So if I'm going a bit faster, then I'm sorry, but it's big. So I'm trying to not to spend too much time on each sides or pages. Now this is like the other concepts which are in the regular versions. Like this is, I think it's D, and I forgot the other letter. But this is so nice, this picture. And really, I really want some card with her braids. She looks super, super cute with them. If I'm not getting any of her, it's fine, but I'm still hoping. And this is the other concept from the other regular version, I think. Which are also nice. I really like the outdoor shoots, but I have everything in this one, so I don't need to buy those versions unless I want to try to get more photo cards or standees. But I think it's okay to just buy the photo cards you want instead of buying more albums if you don't need them. This is so pretty though. This is really pretty. Like, I like this picnic kind of shoot. Then we go to the dark one, which is also really cool and awesome. They look super cool like that. It's super fits like their concept somehow. They just look amazing in these dark dresses and with the flowers. Really cute. And from this shoot, the big postcards are also from. So it's really nice to put in the binder. Really put the big postcard into the binder because this shoot is just so pretty. Like, look at her, like, with the pink hair. It just looks amazing. And then we have, like, I won't turn it, but it's like these pictures. Oops. With a fog or mist, it really looks nice too. I have dummy with a weird head. Kayon with a ponytail. It just looks so pretty. Like visual wise, I think this era has them all standing out. They really look all very, very well. Very pretty. And then we have like from the MV like shoots too. Like Sue in this outfit is really Xian. Yuhyun, Dami, Gahyun. And that outfit is also very cool on her. Like she has killer parts in the MV too. I'm like, even though I think both of the rappers have like least of the lines, they have killer parts. So it's not always about the line distribution. It's also about who has like big parts in the choreography or in the MV. And that they have. I wonder where they shot the video. So, this is then the other concept again. This looks also so nice. It's very simple, like this is the shoot from the standees, but it's... I really hope I won't get another sewer standee. Because for that, all the versions have the same standees, and it's group shot. And then the blue hair really looks good on her. Like in general, long hair suits her very well. This picture is super nice. I think it's also similar pictures to the other version. Maybe they included them, or some at least. Then it's the lyrics and credit, and that's all for the photo book. So we will check out the photo card first, because Yuhyun. I shouldn't have looked at the back. It's not focusing. It's Yuhyun, and this one. Pretty. Then let's take the standee first, and it's it's another sewer. Oh no. I really don't like trading for anything. I'm too lazy to look for it, and well, yeah. Then we got. Oh, I got one selfie card, or is it not a selfie card? I don't think I don't. No, I don't have one. Okay, so we got Cheon. It's also so pretty. And last card is another dummy. Didn't get a Gaia. Oh. So I have to spend money on getting her cards and everything. And let's check. Oh, well, let's check the big photo postcard. Maybe that's like. No, I got Xion. So nothing going on. When I want her the most, I'm not getting her. Ah, this is frustrating. Well, that's fine. I love them all, but you know, when you want your bias, you're not getting it. So this is all for my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed, and talk to you soon. Bye.